Okay, next one up, returning client with his recently purchased Ducati Multistrada Pikes Peak V4. This is going to get one of our full works packages. Got half the countryside on the front there. Yeah, this is going to get one of our full works packages, which will include a two-stage machine polish on all these items. All the bodywork, windscreen, I'll remove that, polish inside and out. This does have about 5,000 miles on it, this bike. We'll get that exhaust all minted up like new. What we'll do is we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on the front of that motor, as it's got a few miles. The rest of it's all going to get ceramic, so we use the Ultimaxx ceramic range. Most of them are 5 years protection, so we'll get all the wheels ceramic. Once all the bodywork is polished, all of that will be ceramic. Same with the windscreen. We will put the XCP on the lower half of the motor, but the rest of it's all going to get the Ultimaxx ceramic. This is 72 plate. Like I said, it's just got over 5,000 miles on it. So let's get it washed, decontaminated, degreased, debugged, and then we'll get it in the studio and we'll crack on with some detailing. Like I said, we'll get that exhaust all minted up, get it looking like it should, get all these bugs off. Okay, both wheels are now thoroughly clean, all the disc calipers. I've cleaned the front of that exhaust, front of the motor. Next stage is, this is the pre-wash stage, so we just spray a chemical on to loosen up any bugs. We won't touch this with any cloth or any brushes. We will then wash it off, and then we'll do the same again with some contact sponges, but you can see it's disintegrating some of those bugs. So we'll get that rinsed off and then we'll crack on with another. Okay, now we get a bit of snow foam action. We will lightly agitate this. We've got some soft brushes and some mitts to make sure to remove all the contaminants, all those bugs, all down the forks, and then we'll get it in the studio and get it blow dried. Okay, now washed and thoroughly blow dried. Now in the studio, we're going to crack on with mirror polishing up that exhaust, clean all up underneath the motor. And then we'll get it down and start applying some ceramic on these wheels. Okay, first stage of polish is done. Windscreen's off. I've cleaned all behind there. That's all been treated with the Ultimaxx Trim X. Done the handguards. Just waiting for that to buff that off. We're going to crack on with this windscreen. It's got quite a few, I don't know whether you can see on here, scratches on it. So we'll polish all those out. Oh yeah, got some ingrained bugs. So we'll get it all polished up and then we'll fit that back up. And then we'll apply some ceramic. All right, this Ducati Multistrada Pikes Peak V4 Special has now been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This had one of our legendary full works packages with a nice coating of the Ultimaxx ceramic. This has had a single stage machine polish on all the bodywork, all the windscreen. Every single bit of this bike has been meticulously cleaned. All that exhaust has been minted up. Wheels have all been coated with the ceramic. This is, like I said, one of our full works packages. We throw everything at it. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. You want to keep your bike looking its finest? Time to get it trotted. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.